Welcome back. Final part.
You got no
Bang,
chance,
bang,
son.
bang.
Best you just turn around and keep on going. Ain't no shame in cheating death twice.
Okay, operator.
I've got some nitro I found there in the governor's office. You lay down some fire, and I'll take that gate right down.
Alright, Zodiac. Serious move. Yeah. Headshot Wake up, Zodiac, wake up!
Best way to
Are
help
you
me
sure this is
is to
heavy?
put a bullet in that man's brain. Get going, bounty hunter.
It's well written script.
You're all fired if you don't stop it! I hate to see talent like yours rotting in a grave. Ain't a man alive that can beat the Scorpion Revolver. Feel that noose tightening around your neck, boy? Even if you need to, you hang. Ain't no blood cold in the back your mind. Ain't no amount of blood and gold gonna bring back your mom. I always regretted what happened back on your daddy's farm, Red. I should have been there to make sure you joined them. But lucky for me, I get a second chance.
Never did like him much.
Jack.
Well, Red, I'm not saying Griffin didn't deserve it, but he was the governor. I reckon the
The
army
oppressor.
will be sniffing around here, and... Well, I'd hate to see you hang after all you've done. 5,000 in gold sound like a fair bounty?
Indeed, sir. What happened? What happened?
Give it to them. It never was about the money.
Oh. Catch deep. The hero quotes. The end. The end. We finished this. Thank you for those who produced this masterpiece. So touched. I'm so touched. Of course, with the Rehalo giving us money in the end. He's not materialistic guy. May God bless him always. Thank you, thank you. Short appearance. Good game, everyone. Everyone came. This game is actually fathers to the Red Dead Redemption. Thank you. Thank you for your words, sir. Thank you for your contribution. Part mode unlocked. Bounty Hunter mode unlocked. I will give try sometime. After this, another game. I will play another game. Thank you for your support. Like and share. I genuinely happy to play this game and to share the moment with all of you. Stay tuned for the next video game that I'm gonna play. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.